live, we are tracking the tropics and the system that could impact our weekend.
First Alert meteorologist Steve Weigel also tracking some rain on First Alert radar. Steve.
Yeah, it's a busy day out there, Kelly and Jay. We do have this, what is a potential tropical cyclone. It has not been upgraded to a tropical storm, not just yet. It came close this morning as the hurricane hunters flew through it and found almost a closed low-level circulation. That's what we need at this point. But at 11 o'clock tonight or even this evening, as the hurricane hunters fly through it, they may find that closed low and upgrade it. Here's the forecast track. Now, the next 36 hours are critical because it moves over the mountains of Hispaniola, Dominican Republic, and Haiti, and it reemerges off the north coast. And that is a critical time because these mountains have a history of tearing into especially weak tropical storms and hurricanes. And when it reemerges after that, about 24 to 36 hours from now, is critical. Does it survive at all? It's quite possible it'll just be washed out completely with just a band of rain and wind. But the Hurricane Center is keeping it as a tropical storm as it rolls through eventually into the Florida Straits on Friday and Saturday. And here's the Saturday 2 p.m. position, winds at 50 miles an hour. Now you'll notice here that the forecast track and the cone have shifted a little to the east again, back doing that windshield wiper effect that we talked about during all the hurricane seasons in the past, eventually riding right up through the state, right up the spine of the state into Georgia eventually. So Saturday, Sunday, and maybe even into early Monday. Here's what I mean by the track shift. Almost all of the models shifting to the east during the day. The red line is the official forecast track, and here's the tightly clustered models, or relatively clustered models. That includes the European model, which brings it close to West End Saturday and early Sunday. Now, there are watches and warnings in effect to the south through the central Bahamas. We have the tropical storm watch, and then the warnings popping up for the Caribbean islands, North Caribbean. What can we expect here? Well, we still have less than a 50-50 chance of even seeing tropical storm force winds, but there is a chance, and we'll have to monitor this closely. Unfortunately, I think it's going to be tomorrow night before we have a really good handle on what we can expect for the weekend. But